This is a legend of pioneering innovation and tending toward lead. This is a movement of courageous struggle and self-improvement. Luoyang is one of the famous 7 Asian capitals in your country. There have been 13 dynasties established their capitals here. It's the important birthplace of Chinese civilization. Henan Ruishi Investment Group Company Limited was born in this deep historical and cultural famous city. Beautiful purely hometown. Henan Ruishi Investment Group Company Limited is established in 1992, adopted the modern management system, produced all kinds of crandon, abrasives, special refractories, and metallurgical material of the joint stock self-managed import and export enterprise. 100 export-based enterprise, honoring the contract and keeping promise enterprise for 5 consecutive years, and the advanced taxpayer enterprise, appraised by the county. Ruishi Investment Group as the whole involved smelting, processing grains, metallurgical material, refractory material, solar line cutting, Sapphire Group Enterprise. Group company occupied 293,335 square meters. 350 employees, registered capital 72 million RMB. Group governs 7 wholly owned companies: Kaohsiung Bauxite Plant, Smelting Plant, Processing Grains Plant, New Energy, Solar Line Cutting Plant, International Trading Company, etc. Existing 6 domestic first-class production equipment, 3,600 kW to 360 kV high-temperature melting furnace, 6 automatic Barmac sand production lines. In order to ensure raw material stable, Group construct 4-shaft kiln spell cells, designed to burn for the enterprise use of special refined bauxite clinker, annual production capacity of up to 15 million tons. Group enterprise research and development, new energy-saving environment production composite, fused crandon, the first capacity of the global world in the same industry. In the industry line, we take the lead in passing ISO 9001-2000 International Quality Management System certification. Our products are sold to America, Russia, Japan, Korea, and so on, more than 20 countries and areas, with a high reputation, both domestic and foreign country. Group make the positive contribution to the economic development of Luoyang City and also created the good social and economic benefits. Group company growing and developing can't be separated from the party and the government leadership and community support. In return for society, nearly 5 years, the company had invested over 1 million RMB to support the national earthquake relief, to build the village party branch office building, to build the cultural school, to cover the village health clinic, to repair the village levee, to harden out of the village road, to donate cars and donations for primary schools and so on, and also funded 15 students to complete their studies. Group company gave full play to the exemplary role of party members in the enterprise, and actively carry out activities to excel. Our staff's unity and hard working, high efficient production, scientific management, and grab the market and achieve good production and business performance. In July 2010, the company party branch by the Henan Provincial Party Committee Organization Department awarded the honor title of 5 Good Grassroots Party Organization for Luoyang City. Yichuanxian win the honor. Ruishi Group Company, the 12th 5-year plan outline. Ruishi Investment Group, according to the market of refractory materials in domestic and foreign country, come out of the traditional mode of production to enter on to the field of high-tech, energy conservation and environmental protection and waste utilization of resources for development of a recycled economy to enable enterprise to further develop and expand.
要想做大做强，必须走产业转型和可持续发展之路，这就需要大力发展低碳经济，研发新型环保产品，实现循环经济发展。
Since 2010, the group company research and development composite fused alumina through using of industrial solid waste. This material is adopted the newest type of refractory, multi-refining technology of low product cost, no pollution, can improve the comprehensive utilization of resources efficiency, and achieve resources recycling and wide prospects of market. This scientific research achievement owns the leading position in the world. This project had been successfully researched and development in 2012 and began to put in the market. This program annually saved bauxite 144,000 tons, saved 300 million degrees of electricity, saving 20 million tons of water resources, used 144,000 tons of solid waste to decrease the large of carbon dioxide emissions. This project belongs to the circular economy, according to the national fiscal policy to give tax relief. This project had been submitted to the County and City Development and Reform Commission agreed. Due to cost reductions and preferential tax policies, it's expected that the company's sales amount will be risen by 150 to 200% in 2013. The annual production capacity can reach 144,000 tons, and the sales revenue will increase about 2 billion RMB. In 2012, Group Company recorded production project with annual production capacity of 5 million pieces of sapphire LED substrate project in Luoyang Development and Reform Commission. In October 2012, sapphire test plant could put into production. Sapphire is widely applied to many areas of science and technology, national defense and civil industry. At present, it's already beginning for the true production. After the mass production, it could obtain excellent economic benefit, and the annual value could be up to 1 billion. This project is the only one in Henan province. In order to further improve the influence of Henan Ruishi Investment Group, both in domestic and foreign country, Group Company invested 10 million RMB to establish group headquarters on 23th floor Wuzhou building in new district of Luoyang. Also strengthen the domestic and foreign sales network and settlement sporting sales service. Then the company's product sales efficiency will increase by more than 50%. In future development, Group Company will improve the core competitiveness in the industry. According to the situation of shortage of mineral resources and energy crisis, Group Company continues to invest in green, environmental protection, energy saving, high-efficient innovation fields, and also concentrates on the research and development of new material and new energy to reduce the national resource consumption and environment pollution, making every effort for the country people and the sake of the welfare of our offspring. Group Company will do the best to make contributions to the rapid development of a country economy. Welcome to Ruishi Group.